Good day everyone. Today I'm going on a hitchhiking journey to the place called Bicol Natural Park. I'm gonna do this alone. And yeah, let's see. I think it's gonna be fun. Hopefully. I'm not sure if I can catch a ride because hitchhiking are not so popular in our area here in Bicol. But yeah, I'm gonna try nonetheless and see what will happen. I'm just started walking and I'm sweating like crazy, man. It's like 35 degrees outside here. But yeah, the store is closed. I'm planning to buy some water over there. But yeah, as soon as I buy some water, I will try to stick my hand in and see what will happen if I can catch a ride. I will ask in the store. And I think they not Sir, got a nice motorcycle right here. As soon as I buy some water bottle, I'm gonna try to stick my hands out. Tao po. Pero po kayong tubig, yung mga 1 litro.
1 litro? Ayun, snack.
Sige po, salamat man. Siya po, salamat. I will buy here. It's a pharmacy store, I think. And most of the time they have some water bottle. Meron po kayong tubig? 1 litro?
Ay, wala.
Sige po. Yeah, let's go. Got my water bottle right here. I will find a good spot to catch a ride. Let's go, man. I'm all set now. I'm all set. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait here for a ride. Damn. I will try my luck here. You're gonna find stuff. Yep. Man, waiting in this kind of heat is brutal. I don't have a good spot to wait here. See, the road is too open and no shade. But yeah, it is what it is. Nah, I'm not walking anymore, man. I'm gonna try my luck here one more time. Yeah, pwede makisakay sa likod? Pwede makisakay? Ay, meron pala. Okay, kisakay sana ako, may karga pala. Basod? Kasya dyan? Kaya yan? Baka makasira ako ng hollow blocks. Masakay na ako. Sige na, salamat. Man, I did find some ride. Finally. Finally, man, I'm out here. Salamat. Thank you, thank you. This thing is clutch, man. Right time, right moment. Woo! Thank you very much. Man, I'm so happy. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I asked. Man, I catch a short ride. They go to their construction site right there, and I'm here at the front of police station. Man, I thought it's the perfect ride, but it's not. I will try again. Here, it's a perfect place to catch a ride. I have some shade here, and I can see the incoming traffic. Okay, I think I'm gonna be fine. Masampara sana ako dyan. Na ito pala. Okay, salamat ha. Salamat sa magpapasakay. Yeah, salamat. Yon. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Woo. I'm in this cage, man. This kind of cage. Right here, man. Good things come to those who wait. The driver said that I am 4 or 5 kilometers before I reach my destination, so I think I'm gonna walk from here or try to find a ride if someone wants to sama me. Yeah. Beautiful area right here. The breakwater have sidewalk and railings, and you can find something like that in my area. This thing is kind of different. I think I'm gonna wait here under this beautiful tree. Wish me luck. Time check, it's 11:18. I'm sticking my hand to every vehicle that passing through. Basically, I've been waiting here for like 20 minutes, but yeah, this place is chill. I don't mind waiting on here. There's a bus going, but I don't want to ride that. I want to hitchhike my way. I want to hitchhike my way through. Not riding the buses for some emergency purposes only. I'm gonna start walking now. I've been waiting here for about 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm kinda rested and I want to walk for a little bit and hope I could catch a ride. Yeah. I can see my destination. That's where I want to go, in the Bicol Natural Park. I found this abandoned area. It's the office of the DNR. I would go inside. Yeah, man. Tao po. There's no one. Yep, it's locked. Alright. Time to wait again beside the road. I will find a better spot because the vehicle are so fast here in this part of the road. They don't have time to stop for me. Bye bye.
Kakanan, di ba?
Opo. Doon po ako. Lakbay-lakbay muna. Punta na po ako, salamat. Ingat po kayo. Salamat. Alright. Natoy.
Ngayon lang ako nagparo kayo ng
Tao po. This is it, man. Woo! Finally, I'm close. Damn. Look at the pathway here. It's so beautiful, man. It's kind of magical place. My hitchhiking journey is a success for now, I would say. Yeah, I can hear the water and I can feel it now. What the? Yep, I'm here. I'm here, man. I'm gonna cook my food for now. Rice, gonna wash it first. You need to wash it twice. I think I can sleep here. Stealthy. Man, this is my food right here. Ham. My rice is cooked. Ham and egg. Yeah, it's done. Next is the egg. Perfection. Masubo ka?
Hindi ko. Ha?
Pangalisahan lang yung bakon ko ay.
Ay. Basta ngayon, makakaiman din po kami. Magkaiman na po kami.
Yep, my neighbor bring me some food, man. And I think it's my dinner now.
Diyan kami sa lamisan niya yan. Oh. Hi guys, we're going to home na. Because it's darkening na.
kami. Sige na.
Video talaga. The darkening is getting closer na. I can see myself na.
Ano na pa iba tala yung para video niya sa to?
Nakaabot alam mo.
Oo, malapit lang. Haraniman lang. Saan na siya mag-umi?
I didn't get their name. Man, it's so peaceful out here. Walking on this empty road. I hope I can catch some ride back home. Public transportation or hitchhiking again. But yeah, I'm gonna try my luck. Man, yeah, I'm living the dream. This is it. Yep, I'm gonna wait on this spot right here. Damn, empty highway. I think it's 5:30 p.m. right now. Hope I can catch my ride back home. Empty highway, man. Hope it doesn't get dark. maaga po kayo. Dito naman po ako makakanan.
Dito.
Oo.
Dito na. Dito
Ay, sa unahan.
Pero kaya kami. Hop!
Salamat do, maraming salamat. Yeah, salamat. Ingat, ingat. Oo. Diyan na ako. Dito na ako sa Iraya. Malapit na. Salamat, salamat. Dito ako, dito. Dito sa kaliwa. Abay. Tayo namin. That's my ride, man. Dito ako, dito. Woo! Dito na ako. Oh my God.